Canva.com is a lifesaver for actors. It gives you so much more flexibility in your marketing and promotions. So one of my favorite websites to help me as an actor is Canva.com. Can I say that again? Canva.com. Canva.com. Yes, Canva. I love it. I love it. I wish I had Canva 20 years ago, but I'm so happy to have it today. Why is Canva so great, and what makes it so fantastic for actors? I am so glad you asked. With Canva, you don't need a graphic designer. You can do your resume. If you just type in the search acting resume, you'll get templates. Yes, isn't that exciting? And then you can just slip in your credits into that resume and it'll look fantastic. There are templates for resumes, for postcards, for flyers. You can make flyers, on Canva. You know how you pay a lot of money to get your headshot done and put your name on the bottom of it? You can do that on Canva. Isn't that fantastic? You can even do social media posts on Canva. You can do videos. Right at the top of the bar, you would hit press and record, and then go to recording studio, and then you're going to do your FaceTime camera, and you will start to record. And it's 2, 1, now we're going. How would you like to be a producer? Well, this presentation will walk you through everything you need, starting with 1, under promise and over deliver. So as you are doing your presentation, you have your slides underneath that you could walk through and talk through and give us all the lowdown on what it is to be a producer. Time management, research, resourcefulness, and on and on. And now, thank you so much for watching. I've finished my video. Now you can end the recording and you'll see it start to upload into your system. There we go. It is almost done. It is good to go. And so we have now recorded a 46-second presentation. Now I can either download it or I can save and edit. We can also copy the link. You can create stationery for your cover letters to send out to casting directors, to send out to directors, to producers, to anybody you want. You also can make great business cards, and they have these excellent tutorials to walk you through the steps. And the tutorials are usually anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes. Real easy. Canva, I love you, Canva, I love you. They have a free Canva, but I like the paid Canva, which it runs you about $20 a month, and it is worth it. Next to IMDb Pro and your Actors Access and your Casting About and your Casting Networks subscription, you should have a Canva.com subscription. It has saved me so much money. I can't tell you. Every time I was doing a comedy show and I needed to put together a flyer, I had to go through a graphic designer. It just was a lot of money. When I was doing postcards or doing flyers for showcases that I was doing or plays that I was doing, it was hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get that done. With Canva, you can create your brand kit and add your brand colors, your brand fonts, and your logo. Canva.com is a lifesaver for actors. It gives you so much more flexibility in your marketing and promotions from any kind of social media post, be it Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, banners for your social media. It is just a godsend. You can resize in Canva, which is great, especially for your social media posts and your YouTube thumbnail. Another great thing that you can do on Canva is create your own electronic press kit. You can even do a presentation on Canva. I'm telling you, Canva is the best thing to happen since sliced bread. Get that Canva account now. What are you waiting for? Get it, get it, get it. And check out this next video for more info for your acting career.